Today I'm going to show you how to pick a lock. This is a common household lock. Right now it's unlocked. I'm going to go ahead and lock it in the back. Let you see that this isn't some kind of trick. Nice and tight. These are the only two tools I'm using. A tensioner, something to hold the lock and apply tension, and a simple rake. I'm just going to use the shake method to it. Just give it a little jiggle and it should pop open without too much difficulty. As you can see, it's still locked. Set the tensioner in there. There we go. Just like that. Unlocked.